Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to build program in assembly language that will calculate factorial. I'm going to build assembly program in this online emulator. I put link down below in the description. Okay, let's build factorial program. I will move in register R0 value, for example 5. It will be input number, and in register R1 a value of 1, and in R1 we will store result of calculation of factorial. It will initially be 1. After that I will move to the new branch. Here I will do multiplication. I will store result of multiplication in R1 and I will multiply content in R1 with R0. And then I will subtract R0 by 1. And then I will again move to the factorial branch. And there is one more thing we have to do. We need to specify condition when this loop is going to terminate, because in this case it is infinite loop. We need to stop when R0 is 1. We can also stop when R0 is 0, because multiplying with 1 won't change anything, but there's no reason to multiply a value inside R1 with 1. So we will compare R0 with 1, and in case it is equal to 1, branch equal, we will move to the exit branch. There's nothing in exit branch, it is just way to end factorial loop. And let's now run this code. I will change format to decimal sign because it is hexadecimal values by default. So we execute instruction by instruction. We move 5 to the R0 and 1 to the R1. And then we move to the factorial branch. 5 is not equal to 1, so we multiply value in R1. Then we decrease R0, it's now 4. Then we multiply it is 20, 60, 120, and now R0 is 1. We compare, and because they are equal, we move to the exit branch. And as you can see, this is a result of factorial of number 5. It is 120. So this program works. Let's try this program with another input value, in this case 8. So I run this program. It is 1, 8, 56, and so on until R0 is 1. And we move to the exit branch. So this is a result of factorial of number 8. Let's check this with calculator. It is 40,320. So this program again works. If you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to press like button and subscribe, and see you in the next video.